what's up guys? We want you another video. Today is day 7 of Vlogmas. I cannot believe we are at a week straight of vlogs. We got less than 20 more days till Christmas and we are not gonna miss a day on this Vlogmas, guys. Today we got a super exciting video. If you guys remember, we wrapped the G80 in Christmas lights. That's why it looks all crazy right now. And today there's actually a huge Christmas light car meet. Strictly cars with Christmas lights on it. So get ready to see a bunch of Christmas decorated cars. We wrapped the G80 just in time for this meet. Kevin's actually gonna come with us. He's in the M4, but he's not gonna bring his car because his car doesn't have Christmas lights. We were gonna try to wrap his roll cage at least because I have so much extra lights. Look at this. Oh, I can't reach. Look at these. I have like 5 more boxes, bro. We only used 3 on the entire car. I ordered way more than I needed to, but I wanted to make sure I had enough for the whole car. We were gonna wrap his roll cage. We're kind of in a hurry. We're kind of late, so you're just gonna come with me. How are you gonna get in, G?
Let me go in from you.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to cross. You can sit on this if you want.
You're retarded, bro.
If you guys remember, the doors don't open. Well, my driver one does, but we got a little lazy on that side, so the passenger one doesn't open.
We should have just made it functional, bro.
I know. Low key, we should have made all the doors work. Bro,
I don't want to step on your stuff.
how are you gonna do this, bro? Oh my! This ice cream's gonna fall off, I swear. How are you gonna get out the car when we get to the meet? No way. Here you go, G.
How I pulled a muscle.
Bro, why didn't we make all the doors functional? I don't get it.
Yeah, that was so dumb of us to not do that.
I know, I told you. You okay, G?
Yeah. I'm good.
All right, let's head to this meet, guys. Too bad we don't have enough time, dude. We're really gonna wrap his cage, but when we come back, we should do this still. Bro, I have extra lights. Might as well, dude. We can literally wrap an entire car. That's how much lights I have. Pumping gas before we go. Why isn't it working? Bro, I hear some of these things scratching my car. I gotta add some more tape, dude. Look at it. That's scratching my car. This is scratching my car. This is all scratching my car. I think after this meet, I'm probably gonna take them off because today is like the big meet with everyone with the Christmas lights. After this, I think I'm gonna take it off. This one was flapping like crazy. One of these. I heard it, bro. This one. Oh my God, it's not even on. Look, we found the car. I'm pretty sure they're going to the meet too. Oh! No way. Bro, I don't have my lights plugged in right now. Dude, go plug them in.
Okay, how?
You have to go all the way to the trunk. But the Lambo's for sure going to the meet, guys. There's gonna be a bunch of freaking cars today. You should have did it on the M4.
We need that car, bro.
That shit looks insane on that Aventador. Well, Aventador is so freaking crazy. Officers? We can play Night Officers?
Yeah, that's funny.
That's probably the best one yet. Get one, Kevin!
That's my dream car right there.
You're rich.
I just need that car, a bad girl, passenger seat, going to Malibu, go down Rodeo, a little shopping, flex, valet.
That's what you're feeling?
Chilling.
You're manifesting it, G.
We're gonna have it, bro.
For real?
We're gonna get it, for real. You're gonna get it in red, I'm gonna get it in orange.
You think you should step
It
on
goes
it?
two, it goes two, it goes two.
Look
Oh
at
my
him, like a
God.
little kid. What would you do?
I would downshift all the way until the transmission blows, and then
Bro.
floor it. Oh, another one.
Let's see.
Oh my God.
Kevin's so mad. Why won't she? Just downshift once.
So annoying.
I would not know how to drive that shit normal, bro. I'd for sure blow the transmission too. It looks so sick though. Yeah. It's starting to get darker. You can see the lights better. I'll rev it, G.
Yay.
Since the Lambo doesn't want to.
Bro, how do you shift and film and hold the steering at the same time?
It's so sketchy, I'm not gonna lie. For that split second, I feel like it's gonna lose control.
That was insane.
Oh, shoot. What's that, XM?
XM, yeah.
Those shit are expensive, bro. Overpriced, G.
What the heck? The whole front end was like carbon.
Black? Yeah, I saw that. All right, let's plug it in. Again, hopefully it doesn't catch fire because this looks like a freaking fire hazard, but let's see if it works. Oh, look at that. Looks so sick, bro. We just made it to the beach, by the way. All the cars are up there, so let's hurry up. I just want to turn the lights on. Now they work. It looks insane right here on the beach. If you guys didn't watch the video when we did it, well, now you see it. The G80 all lit up in Christmas lights. Let's see how many cars are out here. Look at the big truck, you see it?
Oh my.
All right, let's turn them on, let's turn them on, let's turn them on. We part of the crew.
Damn. Look at the Tesla they didn't have.
No way, bro. Look at all these cars. This is a GTR? Oh, it's a 350Z, bro.
Oh my.
I thought that was a GTR. That shit got GTR headlights.
Dude, every car has it.
That is crazy. There really is a truck too, look at.
No way, bro.
All right, we just parked and guys, it looks insane with all the cars together. Check this out, bro. We got my G80. We got my boy Dan's M6. We got a Tesla over here, Model Y, right? This Tesla's playing Christmas music. But that one looks really cool. With the underglow too, I think that's like the perfect combination. I wish I had underglow in my car. That would like top it off. FRS, they did like the outline. Look, they did the wing on this one. That's so cool. Bro, this is crazy. The Z's all white. I actually really like the white lights, even though this is more like holiday, but the white looks cool. There's little ski racks on it. Skis, C63. Damn, bro, these guys went crazy. This is so sick, bro. Right now we're all about to go on a cruise down PCH all along the coast of the beach. It's gonna look crazy, all of us together. I'm sure it's gonna break everybody's neck, bro. Like just one of them driving on the street, everyone trips out. Imagine seeing all of them at once. It's gonna be crazy. More Teslas, a Mustang, an STI. That one's cool, it's like flashing everywhere. Big truck, which is also pretty cool. This is dope, bro. Everyone's doing it. I wish I would have posted on my story ahead of time and got more people to come. I feel like we can make this meet insane, bro. To get all of you guys to pull up too, I think it would have been cool. But it was like super last minute, it's a little private meetup that they had. And then last but not least, the Aventador, probably my favorite so far that I've seen. To wrap an Aventador on Christmas lights, that's crazy. For sure scratching the paint, bro. I'm already scared that my G80 is gonna get scratched, but on the Aventador and on the carbon wing, look at that. Damn, hopefully not. What's your guys' favorite? The Aventador, huh? But it looks so good. Here we go. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. There's no way they pull me over out of all these people. There's a bunch of us, dude. I guess you can get a ticket because it's like distracting or something like that, which I don't blame them. Look how foggy it is. It looks crazy right now. The Aventador. I wish she was driving crazy, huh? Downshift a little bit. Subi. What else? Bro, why are they following me? I'm trying to film the cars, but they're following me, bro. See? Yeah, how is he not cold, bro? All of them are up with the ski button. Damn! All over Kevin! Bro, we should do it, Kevin's big. Oh! We should do Kevin's big old Bronco. That shit would be funny.
That would be crazy.
Let's do it. I'm not helping. Yeah, that's gonna take us all next Christmas to do it, bro. Look at this. It looks sick on a big ass road. Oh, look at those headlights. What the? Look at the police light. Which is your favorite one so far?
Aventador.
For real? Mine?
No, yours.
For real or what, bro?
No, yours did.
Nah, low-key, mine came out good, you can't lie.
No, it really did, honestly.
That one's pretty cool too. I like the color of those lights. Like, those are bright.
Oh, the one on the fence?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do look bright.
That color looks cool.
Or the all white is nice too.
The white's cool too.
With the GTR front end.
But I do think mine's the cleanest. Though.
Yeah, it is.
We
Yours
did
is
that shit
clean.
good,
Yeah,
bro.
no,
We took our time, guys.
It looks really good.
Even like some of the people here, I heard them saying like, dude, how did they get the lines so straight?
Yeah.
We made sure everything was perfect on this. Oh my god. Bro, is so loud. I need a freaking Aventador, bro. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna have it one day. What happened, G? You missed it.
Yeah, I know.
Kevin can't get out, bro. He's trapped in. I don't know why we didn't make all the doors work, but this door is the only one that works. We have made it back home now, and now, I said it in the beginning of the video, I think, but I have extra boxes of lights. These are actually the lights that I use on my G80 if anyone wants to do it, but I got extras. I ordered way too many. I actually ordered like 7 of these boxes, and I only used like 3 of them, so I have a lot. These things go a long way. Like, you can probably wrap it multiple times. You do half the car with this.
I don't think we need that much.
No, I spent like almost $200 on these lights. $200.
That's crazy.
I know. So I mean, might as well use it. I think it'll be cool. Like the whole inside is gonna be decorative. Everything. It's gonna be cool. Wrapped around the whole cage. I think, but he doesn't want to do it. But I think you should do the cage, and then somehow, well, I mean, I don't know how we're gonna do it because it's completely closed off. He has like a seat delete, but somehow get like the lights through the trunk, and then come out the trunk, and then wrap the whole wing too, like that. That'd be sick, bro. And the whole wing would be like wrapped up in lights.
Yeah.
We tried doing this before the meet today, but we didn't have time. We were a little late. If it comes out good, I might do the F80.
You should.
The F80 cage will be cool. Twins G. Damn. This car is so insane, huh? How it comes like this. It literally comes with this roll cage and the seat delete, guys. Like, how does a BMW come like that? With the fire extinguisher? This is OEM. I wish the CSs came with the cage.
Yeah.
That'd be sick. I made my own GTS G.
Yeah.
I also bought like a little thing to plug into the cigarette lighter. No way this shit's on.
Yeah.
Bro. Manual seats, guys.
Best.
Hell, bro, my E92 had automatic seats. Look at this. Ugh. I think you should go like multiple times around the cage.
No.
Make it bright. No.
That's way too bright.
No. Yeah, how are you gonna see in your car? It's gonna be so bright.
I don't know. Okay, how do we do this?
Start wrapping it, G. I might take off my lights tomorrow
You're
or something.
so
Or
whack.
this weekend. Bro, it's gonna mess up the wrap. The longer I keep it on there, I feel like the tape is gonna start like peeling the wrap or damaging the carbon.
All right, let's start doing it.
All that stuff.
No.
Bro, I already had a photo shoot. We already took it to a meet. We're good. I can take it off now.
Comment down below.
It's played out now, G. Now that I done it, it's done. I'm just kidding.
My boy sets trends or what?
Yeah, G. Trendsetter, G. I'm the last one to do. Everyone's already done
I
it.
know.
So I'm not gonna lie, this might be harder than wrapping the outside of the car.
No.
Bro, it's hard. I'm not kidding. You gotta go around the whole cage like multiple times with this big old thing. Look at it.
Okay. Oh my, bro. Oh!
It does look cool though, huh? That looks crazy. It actually looks cool. I think I'm gonna do my cage too.
I think you should. Come look at this.
This looks cooler than the outside. All right, I think we're done. I'm literally stuck in this car later. Help me out, G.
Oh my.
I was literally stuck on my back, bro. But look at it, it's done. Damn, it does look good.
Oh, look at it.
Oh, I haven't even seen it from the
Imagine
outside.
somebody when they're behind me. Oh.
That looks so sick on the cage. Bro, I think this is sick. I have not seen someone do this. That is crazy. And again, just like my car, it has like different modes. Like, there's that twinkle. It's like you can't keep it as one solid color. Oh my god, that.
Alright guys, oh, there it is.
Dude, some of these are insane.
This looks sick, bro.
My boy's gonna have a whole ass nightclub up in here. But it looks cool. I like this one. This one looks like the whole Christmas lights right here. Bro, we did it legit this year, guys. Like, legit. We took our time. It came out so good. And I am going to be kind of sad taking it off. But again, I just want to take it off so I can prevent scratches. And hopefully, this tape doesn't damage my wrap. Look, it's already a pain to take off. Oh, I think we should be good. Hopefully. But look, it's going to leave residue for sure. We put so many... And we put so many pieces of tape. Look how many pieces of tape there are up close. But yeah, we did a really good job this year. Next year, I don't know how we're gonna top it on a supercar for sure, though. I honestly like it a lot, bro.
My new mod, gee, I did a mod.
Yeah, finally some mods to this
You
thing.
guys did the mod for me.
What do you guys think? Should we do the roll cage on the F80? I have extra lights, so might as well. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. I don't know. But there's a lot of Christmas light stuff, huh?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.